Hey there, welcome back to Garage Door Guidance. In today's video, I just wanted to cover how to fix a garage door roller that's come out of its track or popped out garage door roller. We're gonna start with the top roller here. Right now I've got it about halfway open. So there's no brace holding this up in this area. So the track itself can be bent relatively easily. So right here should give you a pretty clear view of what I'm about to do. All you do is lift that top panel up. And so I'm going to tilt it in, bend this railing, and then that roller. This takes a little bit of work, but you can get that roller to just pop right back into place, and that's how you would pop the top roller back into place. Number 3 is typically right underneath the top one. You've got a 2 and a 1. Those ones can be unscrewed and you can screw the hinge back on, so that's also relatively easy. Or you can do exactly the same way I have just done. The third way you can do that also is bend the track out with some vice grips, and I'll show you that in just a second with hinge number 3. As you can tell, I've got one right here. Obviously it's my doing, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push on the roller, hold the track, just to get it to where I want it. So at this point, just bend this in a tiny bit. I'm just gonna use my vice grips, and I'll go here just so you guys can see that. And that basically just widens my channel a tiny bit. So I'm right in that little bent area. From there, just tilt the track a tiny bit, and it should jump right into place. So at that point, the wheel's back in place. So wherever you made that bend, obviously it was up there, but I did make a bend here as well just to pop it out. I basically just grab a hammer and tap that back into shape. So the only one you don't want to touch is this bottom bracket. Most of them will have the red screws on it, symbolizing the fact that you don't want to touch those unless you know what you're doing. Simply because you have a lot of tension on those particular brackets. If you do end up seeing that your rollers are all chewed up, I will put a link in the description as far as getting a new set of rollers goes. Otherwise, I hope this video was helpful, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.